let's focus in on NBCC. That infrastructure major is in focus as the company has decided to acquire Hindustan Steelwork Constructions, and there's a report by Angel Broking which names the company as one of the top mid-cap picks. Joining in now on the show, we have Anup K. Mittal, Chairman Managing Director at NBCC. Thank you so much, Mr. Mittal, for joining in. We'll chat about the report, but first up, the big news that is the company has the in-principle approval to acquire Hindustan Steelworks Construction. Can you just give us more details of this company? How is this going to benefit you?
You see, this Hindustan Steelworks Limited is a company under the Ministry of Steel. Primarily, it was constituted for the steel projects, but in last, I will say, in 1 decade, they were primarily in EPC contract. 75% business was coming from EPC, PMC business, and 25% from steel plants. But this company is under heavy debt. The amount was paid by Government of India and some banks for VRS scheme for their employees. And what we have decided, board has approved that NBCC is willing to take over this company after their balance sheet is restructured. Their government loans along with the interest are waived off, and the provision for bank loan and interest and other contingent liability should be made by government. So after that, once balance sheet is clean and there is hardly any debt, NBCC will take over. And you see, this company has an order book of about 8,200 crore rupees as per their last report. And this company is doing average 1,500 crore rupees turnover last 3 years with a operating margin of 7%, which is about 100 crore rupees. Of course, company is in loss because of interest burden. Once the restructuring is done, so NBCC will be benefited with the 8,200 crore rupees order book with additional turnover of average 1,500, which will definitely increase once it comes to NBCC fold, and additional profit of 100 crore rupees. So these are the broad parameters of this company.
Okay. Mr. Mittal, if you can also take us to the financial angle to this deal. You did mention a few numbers, but in terms of what is the amount that you're paying and the current financials of the company, if you can take us through that as well.
As I told you that NBCC has, board has approved and requested that NBCC will take over after restructuring this. NBCC will not take burden of any loan and interest part of the company, except maybe few lakhs crore rupees. Numbers I cannot reveal, but it will be very negligible amount. So bottom line is NBCC will take over once it is restructured and interest and loans are waived off. This is one part. So NBCC investment will be hardly anything in this company. And as far as company's number, I have already told you that company is making profit at operating level 100 crore rupees, 7%, and average turnover of 1,500 crore rupees.
Okay, so looking good in terms of that acquisition, but a lot of brokerages also are saying that they see your order book growing 1.5 times from the 35,000 crores to 60,000 crore rupees till FY18. Can you tell us what are the internal estimates that you are working with?
I'm inclined to agree to broker's report that present order book is about 40,000 crore rupees, and in this financial year which is closing now, we have acquired almost 25,000 crore rupees orders from different clients, and almost 30,000-40,000 orders are in discussion with the clients, and primarily redevelopment projects. And I hope in coming financial year most of them will be approved by government. So by 18, it's a right estimate, it may cross 60,000 crore also.
Okay. Can you also tell us how do you see growth for the PMC segment and how is the way ahead for redevelopment projects?
So you see, the main projects in our order book are from redevelopment projects, which falls under PMC segment typically. So growth of the company, what we have, plan for next 5 years, minimum 25% CAGR growth in top line, and not exactly same amount of bottom line, but almost near to that. So this figure is 25% CAGR is a very conservative figure considering the order book and future order book. It will increase definitely, but right now this is I mean a figure which we are revealing. But definitely after say 3 months or 6 months, once the order book converted into income projects are started, definitely this growth rate will increase.
So can you tell us what is your total cash on books right now and what is the strategy for the deployment of cash?
You see, we have two types of cash in our banks and balance sheet. One is client deposit, which they deposit in PMC projects. Because of that, company is called negative working capital company. And another thing is our own cash, which is about 350 crore rupees. And some amount we have already invested in our ongoing real estate projects. So 900 plus 350 is right now approximate figure I am giving you, cash available.
Before we let you go, Mr. Mittal, if you can tell us about your outlook for next year.
Before that, interestingly, one thing we forget, probably you have not asked me, and I also missed. This HSCL has also some cash in their order book, in their balance sheet. Again, negative working capital that company is doing similar kind of jobs which NBCC does. So that is another advantage for NBCC. Probably I missed that statement. And for coming years, as I said, few new projects like AIIMS redevelopment, which is already approved and probably will start very soon. That is major. Then second is Pragati Maidan, that exhibition center which we have in New Delhi, India. So we are redeveloping that with convention center and exhibition center. And there are few redevelopment government colonies like Kidwai Nagar we are doing. So 3 colonies are there. We are under process, and I'm expecting approval in first half of next financial year.
Okay, thank you so much for joining in, Mr. Mittal, giving us all of the details on the acquisition, and all the very best going forward.
Thank you.
Okay, that wraps it up with NBCC in terms of the order book for Hindustan Steelworks, as well as what NBCC's position is and what their growth projections are for their order book as well. The stock is at 957 right now.